That's not safe. Roar? That's not safe. Roar. Chasing your ball into the street isn't safe. Ruff. Yes, you were. Roar. Okay, but it almost rolled into the street. Ruff, that's dangerous. I'm safety dog. You know it's my job to keep people safe. Nice to meet you, Plasmo. That's not safe either, and it's unsanitary. I am a dog. I have plenty of fun. I love to read the city traffic regulations. I also play backgammon, provided the pieces are sanitized first. Oh, I don't know. I've never done that before. Thanks anyway. But it doesn't sound very safe. Hey! What are you doing? Hey! Whoa! You're right. That was fun. Ruff, but you really should get safety belts. Ruff.